Good morning, friends. Today I'll tell you about the Nasdaq 100 technical analysis. Before 1 week, I say that the 7890 is the resistance area in Nasdaq. If it can break, it goes the high. Now it can trade in 7969 area or 7990 area. Nasdaq is trading 7990 area. That's the truth. Because it can break the resistance area 7890 7870 area, and now it can resistance break and it make high of 7969, and it may break the 7969, it may get to 8100 area also. But when? That's the big question. Resistance break is 7890 is the very important area. If it break, and it may goes to 82 and 82 level, 83 level also. But I'll do some technical analysis for Fibonacci retracement level and extension level. It give my idea how it can retrace and how it can go upward or downward area. Okay. Now it can trade the 9969 area, the 9912, 9989, 7890 the resistance area, main resistance area 7890, 7870. It can break, and now it can trade 7980 area. Now we can talk about the technical view. MACD is in negative territories. It can say that now it can retrace and it can show the sell area. Rate of change is sell. The rate of change is the important parameter to analysis the how much it can change. So now ROC is the in negative territory. STOR 14 is high overbought. ATR 14 says the high volatility. It means it can retrace 100%. It can retrace. It can touch 8,000 or 81,000 or 82,000, but it can retrace 101% sure. For Fibonacci retracement level or extension level, I can understand that the 38.2 level is the 7176, but it cannot go 7176. It can retrace up to 6338 level. That's the fact. Because it not retrace up to 50% level, it can retrace up to 78.6 level, 6338 level next coming month. Because there is overbought and the share is go very high level, the people are booking profit. The now coming days, it's some bad news is coming. I'll not talk about bad news in future further, but some bad news is coming. There is a growth rate and other things is important, but important thing is dollar is going to be high. If dollar is going to be high, there is a negative sign for exchanges. Nowadays the dollar is weak. That's why the all exchanges are in uptrend. After then, people are trade in USD dollar. The money come from exchanges from USD dollar. The retracement is compulsory. Okay. The main retracement level is 78.63368. There is the main support area 6000 for Nasdaq 100, or maybe 6200 or 6190 is 6180 is the main support area. Now you can buy at this level. Don't buy at that level. The Nasdaq 100 is trading at that level. You don't buy at that level. You can book profit and take your profit in your home. And after correction, after 6 months, it takes 6 months to take the correction. After 6 months, you can reinvest in Nasdaq 100 and you get a good profit in coming days. That's the promise. Okay, subscribe my channel and like it and spread all over the world. I'll give you the new ideas about the Nasdaq. I never thought that it can break the 7870 7090 level, but there is some uncertainty come with US dollar. It can break. The all US exchanges are in uptrend nowadays. For 6 months it can uptrend. Now the after the rate cut is coming, they are going downside because the dollar is strong. All the exchanges are weak, commodities are weak. There is a time to book profit, and you take profit in your home, and that's the good strategy about the trading in euro currency or USD currency is forex. You can trade in forex also, and you can trade in Nasdaq also, exchanges also, and you can trade in commodity also. That's a good opportunity. After some time, you can buy the USD dollar. It gives you good profit. Okay, till you see you. Bye. I'll give you new video for new update. But I am just amazed about the how it can break 7890 level. I still amazed because there is some big game behind it. All foreign exchange are in high, making high mood. Making high mood. It means there is something is thinkable. Why it make high? There is no reason make too high, but it make high. But I thought that the stocks are not going too high. The exchanges are touch their highs. Stocks are not touching their high, but exchanges are touching their high. I'll tell you about next video update. Till then, subscribe my video, and goodbye. I'll give you new update. Till then, bye, and book profit in Nasdaq or S&P 500 or Dow Jones. Book profit. This is the good time for booking profit. Don't wait. Okay, bye.